Hello everyone, welcome back to Tommy Fan Club.
Today, we're going to build a train inspection and maintenance facility, along with a large train depot designed to store and accommodate multiple trains. If you're ready, join us as we build this exciting railway layout step by step. We'll begin by building the train inspection and maintenance facility, one of the most important structures in this layout. The building features 2 floors. The ground floor is used for cleaning and inspecting the exterior of the trains, helping keep every train in excellent operating condition. The upper floor is dedicated to detailed maintenance work and system inspections, including onboard equipment, drive systems, and other important components. Skilled technicians and engineers carefully maintain each train to ensure it is fully prepared before returning to service. At this location, we will build a station for technicians and engineers to observe railway testing operations. The station will be designed to provide a clear view of the railway track, along with dedicated areas for system inspection and real-time monitoring of train performance. Next, we'll build an elevated railway track that will serve as the access route for trains entering the inspection and maintenance facility. Adding an elevated railway track brings more depth and visual interest to the layout, making the railway operations and overall scene look even more realistic. Now that the first section has been completed, it's time to test the operation of the train inspection and maintenance facility. The upper floor is dedicated to detailed maintenance and system inspections. This includes checking onboard equipment, drive systems, and other critical components. Skilled technicians and engineers carefully oversee every step to ensure that each train is fully prepared before returning to service. The maintenance team will use a train lift to move the train to the upper floor for inspection and maintenance. Once the work is complete, the train will be brought back down for another test run. Once the inspection and maintenance work is complete, we'll put the train back into operation and have it pull a fuel tanker train next. Let's see whether the train can smoothly travel along the newly built route exactly as planned. Let's watch and find out. With everything running smoothly, it's time to move on to the construction of the large train depot. This train depot is designed to accommodate up to 4 trains at the same time, providing a space for storage, preparation, and servicing before the trains are dispatched to their routes. After that, I'll bring a Shinkansen train into the facility for cleaning, preparing it for service once again. In the next area, I've created a construction zone to add more detail and bring additional storytelling elements to the layout. Including a construction area as part of the scene helps convey the ongoing development and expansion of the railway network, making the layout feel more dynamic, lively, and realistic. Next, we're going to build another route to test both container freight trains and passenger trains on the elevated railway. Let's see how well the system performs. Now, let's take a look at the construction process. It's time for the train test. First, we'll have a freight locomotive pull a container train onto the elevated route. Let's find out whether it can successfully haul the cargo all the way to its destination. Next, we'll test a passenger train to see how smoothly it can operate along the route. Let's watch the results together. Finally, we'll conduct one more train test on the elevated route. Let's see whether the journey can be completed flawlessly from start to finish. And now, the train inspection and maintenance facility, along with the large train depot, has been completed successfully. We sincerely hope that this layout has provided inspiration and fresh ideas for everyone who enjoys designing and building model railway layouts. For those of you who have watched all the way to this point, if you have any thoughts about this project or ideas for future layouts you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment and share your suggestions with us. If you enjoyed this project and don't want to miss our future videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next project.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.